Hi, this is SK Prashant. I'm a CA Inter student. In this video, let's see the process of converting old scheme to new scheme, and after converting, let us see the process of ordering books by using the coupon which we availed through the process of conversion. First, open ICAI website, then click the SSP portal tab, then enter your username and password details and login. Once we log in, we are able to see in the place of current course a code new int which represents the old scheme of education. It will change into co once this process is completed. In student functions tab, you can find apply for course conversion option below profile edit form option. Click it. Here it is not visible because I have already clicked through it. So I am opening through submitted and pending applications option available on SSP portal. You can also try it if you enter the form and exiting without completing. Click the I button to view the form. Once you click, the first page of the form will appear. The page contains the register number, your correspondence address and permanent address. The data will be auto-filled. If you have any change, click the change button and update it. Once you have done this, click the save and next button. Once you click it, the second page of the form will appear, which contains the purpose of the form and your route of entry, that is whether intermediate direct entry or through foundation, which also contains your graduation details and your school details, then your ITT orientation details if any. After verifying each and every details in the page, click the save and next button. After clicking, the third page of the form will appear, which asks you to upload your photo and signature. The upload file must be within size of 100 KB. Once you're done with the upload, click the generate OTP button and enter the OTP and submit the form. Once you submitted the form, it will show submitted instead of pending in the place of form status. That's all. The process was ended in our end. ICAI will process our form within 7 days, which was maximum limit. In my case, my form was processed within 3 days. Come, let's see my dashboard after processing. See, this is my dashboard. You can see there is a intermediate code coint23 which was earlier new int. By this we can confirm our conversion form has been approved. Okay, let's see how to order books by using the coupon which we availed through conversion. For ordering books, go to ICAI site and click the CDS tab. Once the page was loaded, enter your username and password and login. Again, once you log in, you can see student option available on the top right corner of the page. Click it. Click the study material against registration new course option. Next, choose your medium. Now you can see group kits available. Click it, click select all and add to cart. Once you finished with adding to the cart, go to the cart. On the cart page, you can find the order total was 6,565. Before applying coupon, this coupon will be available only after your form is approved. Before approval of your form, there will be no apply coupon option. Now apply the coupon. Now you can see the order total was Rs.1000 as mentioned by ICAI in frequently asked questions. Proceed with payment. Do the payment once you have all the requirements done, that is, you have proper internet, proper time, because once you fail the transaction, you will be available to do another transaction only after 30 minutes. See, I have placed my order. There is a track option with which we can track our order. That's all for the video. You can post your views and suggestions on this video and queries if any on comment section. And if you feel this video will be useful to your friends, you can share it. Thank you.